Hello guys, welcome to Learn School Online. Today we learn about JavaScript basic operators. So now we start from the JavaScript operators. What is an operator? An operator performs some operation on single or multiple operands and proceed a result. Let us take a simple expression. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Here 4 and 5 are called operands and plus is called operator. So now 4 and 5 is a operands which is nothing doing, and when we put plus between 4 and 5 it's comes result 9, and the plus sign is called operator. JavaScript support the following types of operator: arithmetic operator, plus, minus, and these alls, comparison operator, equal to, not equal to, greater than, not less than, equal to, greater than, less than, equal than, logical, and or assign operator, conditional operator, other useful operators like typeof. These all operators we are covered in this video. So now we starting all these operators in our coding. Now guys, I'm open my bracket editor and I'm starting code here for the basic operator, and I'm start type JavaScript. Between the closing and opening scripting tag of JavaScript, I'm putting the code. Now I'm starting assigning the variable, define the variable JavaScript John age. John is 38. And then after we put year. Now, now we need to know that what is a John. 2 year minus John age. When we do this is a minus operator. It's called arithmetic JavaScript. Now we get the John's birth year. Ninety 91. So we get from this code the John birth year. First we assign the year, then second we define the John age, minus year from John age, we get the birth year. So it is a arithmetic minus operator. Take a second example. Now we define var now joy mark age. In a single line. Now we define the value of the multi defined variables. Now 2019 and joy is 48. Mark age we define 50. Now we're doing so log Now minus joy level 2. So log now plus each. For this we have to put also the operator. Now I put joy here. Now see what is the result. See, all these inputs are come. First, you asking for now age multiplied by 2, and this is 19023. And then after now the age is 2019 and plus mark plus 2. So it's come 2071. And now we divide this comes result. So this is the all are the arithmetic operator minus plus divide. All these are the arithmetic operators. Now after the arithmetic operators, we start for the logical operator. In this arithmetic operator, we cover those. Now we're starting the logical operator. Now a new variable age difference equal to joy age is less than greater than mark age, and we can solve this. Now see, it is a false because that joy age is not greater than mark age. John is 48 and mark is 50, so it is false. Now if you put greater than sign, because it is true, joy is 48 and this is 50. Now it's make true, though this is a logical operator in. And after it I am showing the type of operator. Type of operator basically show that it is a boolean, it is arithmetic, and this is means this is the variables which we using in a programming. It is what kind of we using the variables, like if we console.log means this type of it means console.log put type of put the variables. Now put my name home type of what is the first is number and second is string. The type is operator is show that the what is the kind of your variables belongs. It belongs to the number and it belongs to the variables. So type of operator is showing that what is your variables is blocks. So in this video we covered the basics operators of the arithmetic operator, logical operator, and type of operator. After that, after the next video, we have see the advanced type of operator. Now, thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for more video updates.